Hello and welcome. My name is David Osamuj. If you're just joining me for the first time, my channel is all about creating t-shirt designs that sell, that make you passive income. So if this is something you're interested in and you want to learn how to make this t-shirt design, or you need this inspiration for your own t-shirt design, which you can upload to Redbubble, Match by Amazon, TeePublic, Teespring, then my channel is that channel you want to watch. Please don't click off while we'll get straight right onto it. So we're going to go to create a design, custom dimension. Standard is 4500 by 5400. Don't forget that. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to be making a Christmas themed t-shirt design, and it's going to be a very simple one, a very simple one. So yes, to start with, now that the canvas is open, we go to elements, and I'm going to type in cookies. Okay, so just type in cookies and just find one we can use for our design. So now I will always advise you to scroll through and find a cool one. Like me, I'm going to use this one for this design. Right, so I'm going to be using this one for this design. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. All right, make it a little bit bigger. Try to move it to the middle or the center, any which way you deem fit to call it. Then I'll go back and type in Santa's cap. Okay, cap. All right, so I'll just find a cool Santa cap I can use for this guy. All right, so I'll just scroll. As you can see, there are so many paid Santa cap. That's why you need Canva Pro for yourself. I'm going to show you how to get that. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro if you stick around. So for now, I'll just go and pick a cap. Okay, I'll be using this cap, so I would use that again. I'll just move it up. All right, like so, perfectly matched, but I'll try to reduce it a bit. To reduce it, move your cursor to this head, press on your left mouse click button and drag in or out. Okay, as the case may be, and you move use. All right, so now we have that just placed like so. So I'll just scroll it so that it has that edge, so you can see how easy this first step has been so far. So now I'm left with putting in my text, but before I put in my text, I would love to group these two together so they become one image. So to do that, I'll press my Ctrl A. All right, and I'll group them together. So I've done that, so now I can move them around. All right, so I'll just move them up a bit, and they are placed properly in the middle like so. And now I'll go to text. I'll go to text and just type in what I need to type in. So I'm going to be using this font for this one. You can see it's black. I'm going to ungroup them because I don't want this text under, so I'm going to do ungroup, click outside, click on this and delete that. So I'm left with this one, so I'm just going to use that, click on that. Okay, Ctrl A, and then I'm just going to do my cookie baking through. All right, you can just do that. As simple as that. It should not take us time to create this design for ourselves. As you can see, it says cooking baking through, so I'll increase that and just move that to the middle. You might decide to put it in the middle, you might just decide to put it somewhere else, but I just prefer to put it like so, just beneath like that. So you can see it has started to play out well, but I would like to change the colors, so I can just change the baking to a different color. This is the cool part about Canva. when you have an element like this, it gives you the opportunity to pick from the colors. So I'll just pick, okay, I'll just pick from the colors. All right, just pick from the colors like so, and change things around. So you can see how easy it was for us to create this design. This design was not complicated and super colorful. It did take us a lot of time. If you check our timing, we're just about 5 minutes into this design and it didn't take us a lot of time. So yes, this is the part where I tell you how to get Canva Pro. But why do you need Canva Pro? First of all, you need to get rid of this white background. To do that, you need to get Canva Pro, and secondly, you need premium images. To get premium images, you definitely need Canva Pro. As you saw when I went to Element to check for cool elements to use for this design, I needed premium images because you stand out. You tend to use design people have not used, not popular designs for your work and all. So that said, I'm just gonna tell you how to get Canva Pro. Check the first link in the description. You're gonna get Canva Pro from me for free for the next 30 days. That's a gift from me to you. So if you're interested in doing that, make sure you check the first link in the description to get that. I'll just hit on download. It's going to download for me. Okay, it's going to download for me. Once it's done downloading, you're going to see it over here, and now you can go over and check your design, and that would be all. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist if you've not done so already. Make sure you watch the playlist you're going to see to your right now. With that said, I'm going to see you on the next one. Make sure you stay blessed, stay safe, and I love you all.